There's a lot of talk about six-figure incomes and lucrative careers in cybersecurity, but is it really as easy as it seems? I am CyberMo, and in this video, I'll do my best to give you a realistic perspective on what you can expect when you aim for your first cybersecurity job. Let's get started. There are various influencers, training programs, and universities that contribute to the hype around cybersecurity salaries, making it appear simpler than it truly is. I believe you may have heard about cybersecurity professionals earning six-figure incomes. While this is relatively true, it's crucial to keep in mind that such well-paying jobs aren't simply granted after finishing a course or a certification. They are typically earned by experienced professionals who have spent years honing their skills. Entry-level positions generally offer lower salaries, but they serve as a valuable starting point for those looking to climb the ranks in the industry. For example, if you checked ziprecruiter.com, in the month of March 2023, the national average salary of an entry-level cybersecurity role was around $79,000. Another thing to keep in mind when trying to land your first job in cybersecurity and setting salary expectations is that location plays a significant role in how much salary you can expect. Professionals who work in areas with higher cost of living often earn more than their counterparts in other regions. For example, if you take a look at ZipRecruiter again, you will see that in Washington, the average salary for an entry-level cybersecurity professional is $92,000 USD, while in North Carolina, it's $56,016 US. Some other factors that could determine what you earn as an entry-level cybersecurity professional are the company hiring you, your qualifications, what previous experiences you have in other related fields. It's important that you understand these factors to set realistic expectations for your career. All of this is not to encourage anyone from taking up a career in cybersecurity. All I'm saying to you is you shouldn't let the allure of a high salary dictate your career choices, else you are likely to fail. You should focus on developing your skills and gaining experience in the cybersecurity field. As you progress in your career and demonstrate your expertise, you'll become more valuable to employers, and your salary will reflect that. Remember, patience and hard work are key to a long-term success. One last thing I want to point out to you is this: success in any field, including cybersecurity, requires consistent learning and dedication over several years. Don't be tempted by the next shiny, overhyped career path, because if you ask me, a lot of times, even the times we're living in now, for example, people are rushing into tech and things like that because that's what is the big thing out there. And years down the line, you might find yourself in cybersecurity, for example, and you feel like the internet and people are talking about this next big career, and you choose to deviate away from there. What happens at the end of the day is that you start losing focus. You don't become that master you want to be in cybersecurity. You don't earn that thing you want to earn in cybersecurity. So what you should do is stick to your chosen field, which is cybersecurity. Master your craft and grow as a professional. So there you have it. While cybersecurity does offer excellent earning potential, it's vital to stay grounded and prioritize building your skills and expertise. Stay committed to your journey, and the rewards will follow. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on cybersecurity. And don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe in the cyberspace.